How to fix notification icon disappeared from taskbar in Windows. This solution ensures that the notification feature in Windows is enabled. Occasionally, settings might change due to updates or other modifications in the system, inadvertently turning off notifications. Here's a step-by-step approach. Restarting Windows Explorer can refresh the system and resolve minor glitches, including the disappearance of notification icons. If corrupted system files have caused notification icons to disappear, SFC and DISM can resolve the issue. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, creating a new user account can provide a fresh environment where system settings are reset to defaults, potentially resolving any glitches causing the notification icon to disappear. Sometimes, user profiles get corrupted and create various issues. A new account would bypass these problems. Sign out of your current account and sign into the new account to check if the notification icon appears on the taskbar. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.